भारताचो आदलो क्रिकेटर आशिष नेहराची केळशेची प्रॉपर्टी सध्या वादान सापडल्या. एके वटेन दर्या आणि दुसऱ्या वटेन साळ न्हय आणि मदीं ही प्रॉपर्टी आसा. फाटल्या वर्सा हे प्रॉपर्टींतली झाडां कातरून उडयल्ली आणि ह्या वर्सा थंय रस्ते करपाक घेतिल्ले, पूण थळाव्या लोकांनी मात ह्या कामाक हरकत घेतिल्ली. नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोनात सुरू आशिल्ल्या ह्या कामाची नगर नियोजन खात्यान पळोवणी केल्ली. ह्या वेळार नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोनात रस्तो करता म्हणून आमदार आणि थळाव्यांनी सरपंच डिक्सन वाजाक उजरावन काडिल्लो.
Panic incident now. After 3 inspection, I, MLA and other people, village people were walking. Okay. It was 1:30. So somebody said, "Kon tori ila, kon tori minister ila, kon Gomantak army munis ila with commandos on the beach." So as a sarpanch, we all went. 10-20 people just went to see. Something gelle ki zada, thing gelle mudre ki zale. तो म्हणपालो सेक्युरिटी कोण मिनिस्टर येयला आनी बायला ती चलोन वयता हायडीर दे फार अवे. सो वी सॉ देम सींग म्हणपा लागलो एंड वी ऑल इन्क्लुडिंग माय ब्रदर एंड ऑल द पीपल स्टार्टेड टू वॉक बिकॉज सी समबडी इज कम दे गॉन टू द बीच व्हाई वी शुड गो फॉलो टाइम ऑन द बीच. आई थॉट लाइक आई विल मीट देम समवेयर देयर वेरेवर एज अ सरपंच आई वुड ग्रीट देम. सो वेन जी जाणा ही नोज आई एम गोईंग मुज फाटल्यान व्हिडिओ काढला की सरपंच गेलो म्हणून. सो आय एम व्हेरी मच सरप्राइज what is in his mind. I don't know, I don't understand his mentality of defaming somebody and a sarpanch. So basically तुम्ही म्हणता आता rocket launch कोतपट म्हणून. So I think this is the launching pad. See, we worked together during the seafarers time. We worked during COVID time. We did not take any mileage. Goan Cement Association of India is still there. I would like to ask them, our office is running, we are doing the work on daily basis. Where is their seafarers cell? Where is their NRI cell now? I am asking, are tuka launching pad am kela launch, we launched on Goan Cement Association of India. We have launched the rocket, that's why you are there. And do not try to step on my tail. Instead, if you want to do work, we have to work together. I am very sincere, but not him.
इलिगॅलिटी इज इन एनडीझेड तू रोबॉल हाडून घालता रस्त बांधता तू इन एनडीझेड वेजिटेशन कातोता लाशिता इज अ मर्डर क्राईम एक झाड तू वेजिटेशन जे तू कातून लाशिता इज अ क्राईम इज अ क्रिमिनल एक्ट. कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज illegally and the vegetation which is storing that ground, restoring that ground, you're doing, it's a criminal activity. It is a criminal activity. So that is my allegation against him. Ashish Nehraची केस घे. He is a celebrity. And being a celebrity, तू चोईल जाल्यार एक आटी river हा, एक आटी sea हा. In between the river and sea, it is 300 meters. That means it is totally NDZ. Don't you know in NDZ you cannot do anything? तू anything robol घालता. You are waiting till we object. We make noise. You are such a big celebrity. तुम गोंय येताय, तुम आमगे भाट घेताय, जमीन घेताय, सेकंड होम म्हणून तुम रावपा सोदताय आनी हे भाशेन इलिगॅलिटी कोताय आनी मागीर आम समज हें केलें जाल्यार मागीर आमचे डिफेमेशन घातले. जे भाशेन आज जरी तरी हें चोयल जाल्यार ही सन्मानाची ऑर्डर हितू चोय बूक चोय तो आम डिफेमेशन केलां. हे कोण आतां हे भायले हे गोंय येताय इंग धंदो कोताय आनी आमचे मागीर डिफेमेशन घालताय. जेन्ना आम आमगे भाट गोंय जमीन सांबाळपा सोदताय, आम आमगे कल्चर सांबाळपा सोदताय आनी तेका लागून हाडलें न्हू एज अ लेजिस्लेटर आमकां. आज तेण गायलां हें स्टार्ट लोकां आज गोंयच्या लोकांक पडपाक सनबर्ना जे आज आमकां कोर्टां आसून येयलां डिफेमेशन की आमकां सनबर्न नाका लेट मनोहर पर्रेकरान नोटींग मारले हा दॅट वाय सनबर्न इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड हियर. आतां ते नोटींग मारलो आसता येदोळ आमगेलो लिडर तो चीफ मिनिस्टर तो बीजेपीचो हे आसतना जरी तरी हे आज आमचे डिफेमेशन घालताय, मिडियाचे डिफेमेशन घालताय. हाली हे सगळे एक्टर क्रिकेटर सगळे येतात ते अशें कोतले. तूं आमगे गोंय येता, आमगे भाट घेता, आमगे लोकां डिस्प्लेस कोता थिंगाचो, आमगे जी कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी आहा ती कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी तूं डिस्प्लेस कोता. आमकां जें उदक मेळटा आमकां तें उणी आहा तें आसता तूं थिंग हें कोता, इलिगॅलिटीज कोता आनी आम वॉयस आउट कोता एज अ लेजिस्लेटर. तूं लेजिस्लेटरांचेर तूं डिफेमेशन घातलें. सो हे चतूर रावपाची गरज आहा. We have to be vigilant and we have to be smart. We have to get out of the house and oppose if we see something is wrong. Otherwise, we are going to get finished. Goa is going to go, and I, as my legislator of Benaulim constituency, people have voted for me, and with sincere honesty, I am going to be there with the people of Benaulim constituency. I am going to be there with the people of Kavalosim everywhere. जे जाग्यांनी illegalities जाता आणि जो responsible person हा. My appeal to the people, do not vote, do not elect people who have got baggage with them. जे कोण शेत पुरयले, जे कोण दोंगर कातयले, ऐसो लोकांक तुम वोट मारनाकाय. पयशे देखून दिले जाल्यार कित्याक हाल तो जस्टीस दिवपा जावपाना ते कडेन. आज मुगेले एक दोंगर हांवें कातलो ना, मुगे एक शेत हांवें पुरयलो ना, मुगे एक शेत हांवें धंदो कॉमेस केलो ना. दॅट इज द रिजन आय कॅन वॉयस आउट अगेन्स्ट ऑल दीज इलिगॅलिटीज. हांवें एक इलिगल करप्शन कांय केलो ना, 2.5 वर्स जाली, हेच्या पयलें केलो ना. So I am 47 years old today. If this 47 years of my span, if I can do correct work with justice and sustain the environment as well as this constituency correctly, I think everybody can do it, and we all should do it. And as voters, I request everyone, as locals of Kavalosim, I request everyone speak out. It is nothing personal against anyone. Jenna am kite उलयताय कोणाचे पर्सनल काय ना. म्हाका पर्सनल कांयच इंटरेस्ट ना ते प्रॉपर्टीन. आशिष नेहरा गेली जावं कोणा गेली, आय हॅव नो इंटरेस्ट, झिरो इंटरेस्ट. वॉट एव्हर वी डू इट फॉर प्रिझर्विंग आवर लँड. एंड आय एम अ कोस्टल बेल्ट MLA. जेन्ना एक इरोजन जाता, कितें जाता, मुगे धड पयल वयताय. म्हाका कोण सांगो पावना आसतना हांव पयल पावता. इट शूड हॅव बीन द अदर वे रावंड. सो 2022 आसून तुमी चोयलो आहा, आय हॅव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज इरोजन्स. आय हॅव बीन फायटिंग टू गेट अप्रुव्हल्स फॉर इरोजन, बट गव्हर्नमेंट ऑल्सो इज लॅकिंग. सो people of Goa knows, and all what I can do is I can vouch for my sincerity, and I will stay for Goa and Goans at large.
See, this issue is something about a place where 1.5 years ago, tinga issue on burning of vegetation, and in June there was somebody doing the road. So we have taken the measures, and the work has been stopped. Now recently, कोणे तरी ताजो एक पोत्तून हें केला, आनी विच इज फायन, बट पंचायत रूल वी आर डन एंड स्टॉप द वर्क. बट आतां कितें जाला, म्हाका आय वॉज व्हेरी सिन्सियर बिफोर. सी लास्ट इयर मरे कोण उज घातालो कावेलोसीम, ऑल द एरियाज. सो आय वॉज वंडरिंग एवरी सेकंड डे फायर ब्रिगेड 6 o'clock 7 o'clock. सो म्हाका एक चिंतना जाली कोण तरी उज घाता आसता म्हणून. आणि आय अँड वन मोर फ्रेंड आम्ही एक सारखे मॉनिटर करपाक लागले इवनिंग. त्या मनशा आमी दवरलो लायव्ह. सो दीस पर्सन आय टूक इन टू पुलीस स्टेशन. सो ही वॉज instructed by somebody to burn all the vegetation on the coastal belt in Kavalosim. आता म्हाका दिसता हे कोण सँडिनाक हात लायता, हे सँडिना कोण करता न्हू जाल्यार इतले 3 दीस जाता. इट इज आयसोलेटेड प्लेस नो डावट. जाल्यार हेंक पयलीं खबर मेळटा, आमकां गांवांक खबर मेळना. वाय आय एम टेलिंग यू दीस, द इश्यू इज समथींग, बट some people are taking to a different angle, diversion. This I can tell you. Kidago, yesterday I lodged a complaint against that husband of deputy sarpanch. So MLA get the right hand. So when they got the thing, so he made false allegation when I was there. The video cut. See, yesterday when MLA called for inspection with TCP, I didn't want to go, but when I saw on the live TCP inspection, I immediately get along because TCP Panchayat is not notified. So when I questioned them, they start to attack me. Why you came? Why should we tell you? He called me a chor. MLA, because I came on the spot, you're calling me a chor. Is the language of a captain? I'm very sorry to say. Sir, nala captain muntalo. Now I will not call because you have lost respect. Because when I came, there's a sarpanch. I can come in my jurisdiction. And I asked the TCP official, Are tumi ila kiti agu? Am kiti samana? Na then saran phone kon apoy hoyi. 9 o'clock they came. What time the office open? 10 o'clock. They came 9 o'clock in the morning. So where is the correspondence from the TCP? I will write to the TCP minister to kindly give me the minutes of the inspection. I will more. Ata magit te dusre kone gele. See, last 2 days this has been happening. I got from my sources. ते सरपंचा सांग नाही त्या दोघांना पत्रकारा सांगताय मरे इकरामुळे 4 आंदोलताय 4 आंदोले फाल पोर म्हणताय. So this is a game. This is nothing. This is a game prepared, planned by some people, including the MLA. And I'm telling you because yesterday he kept 3 inspections without telling me. Now you tell me how you can resolve the issue without telling the panchayat members or ward member. So I am telling you the issue is very simple. Issue amka resolve koro jayo or na. If MLA was honest in resolving the issue of that property of the road, he would have questioned me, Dixon, let's do something. You already know about the road. Why he have not taken up the matter? Yes, we have done our part. Maybe we have not done enough because restoration is a work from the CRZ. Today I have written the letter. Yesterday we got a number of a JCB guy. Jo kontinga sanduna got account vegetation ko dalo. I have found out. I have written a letter. Today I will take it to the police station. So amgele ka mahate ami gotai. So issue is very simple. Issue is if you want to resolve the issue or if you want to create some kind of a hype. So I am very much upset because I was like a mad dog running from there to there. But yesterday I came to know very clearly. Yeah, आमका रिपोर्टरा आपयताय मरे एक टाइम सांगताय आम सांग नाही जेदा ते आवयात म्हण कळलो चेंज केला टाइम. Last 3 days this has been happening. I want to tell the people of Goa, this is what it is. It is not about a sand dune. It is not about a vegetation. It is not about Ashish Nehra. It is about trying to defame and divert attention of zero development of Benaulin. This is what I mean. Because the way he charged me yesterday, treating me like an ordinary person, which is unacceptable. I am also an elected representative. I am a sarpanch. I also have a right to be among the people, and I am ready to face the questions. It cannot be one-sided. So this is what is exactly the issue is. So my bottom line is, if we really want to resolve the issues, we have to say, Total Munta, why you need Panchayat NOC? I don't need your NOC. Can MLA say that? Amka Panchayat NOC not mono. You would ask any MLAs or any department. Now the issue was he was a little bit on back foot. Kidzale, Charna last time tene sandbag getlali no. I also did. He did tell me just in the night time. Ani fal gata mon sandbag. I never said ingalmon. The question is why he put in Ashish Nehra's property to on the beach side. I have never said anywhere to put sandbags in Ashish Nehra property. We already wrote that erosion is taking place and government need to do something. So this is my word. So now I would like to ask, I have never got a work order. Nobody told me. We are very sincere people. The question is, can MLA be selective and direct and charging on me that I am part with Ashish Nehra? Are turning up la sandbag thinga? Na then sangpache. You tell the department who gave instruction to put only to protect his sea. Kaidalna. I have come to sources that take mukaveli bandpako WRD tender pass dalma. Selective. If you want to build, if you want to save the village, if you want to really interested in doing your work, you do the full stretch, not part. Now the sand dunes, the sandbags. There is almost 500 meters where the sea starts. Muga things start Kerala. So inga Kerala and ek bad gatla. this is a scam. I am telling you this is a scam because I found out because there is only तेम कित केला बरे ते कॅनवसा पोती हाडलाय आणि पोती काढल्या पोट्या कोर्स बोलला आणि ते गायले so somebody have not done the job, so there is no proper studies done. This is a waste of public money. So I request, I am very much open. There is nothing to worry in Gavilosin. Everything is fine. Yes, there are some people who are trying to play mischief, which I came to know, and I will not fall to prey any kind of this kind of games anymore.